Well, good morning. It's approximately freaking early. What have you got me out of bed? I didn't get to bed till 2 o'clock in the morning. What did you got me out of bed to do?
Hey, this is your fault. You sent me the Facebook Marketplace with the anti-theft stick and the man pedal. You get your ass out of bed. Let's go. We got to go.
We got 2 hours, 23 minutes, 162 miles, a full tank of diesel fuel. I got one Mountain Dew, and you got a cup of coffee. And I got to be at work in 11 hours and 40 minutes.
Well,
This better be worth it.
it better be. It's going to be. It's going to be. We're going to go get it. You can rest. And I'll just let you know, I don't have to work. So I just took a day off.
Ike, you take care of him, you hear me? You take care of this potbelly SOB.
We're going to get Twisted Sister.
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
Thank you. All right, everyone, welcome back. I'm slightly more awake here the next day. Based off of that intro, we bought another car.
I like ice cream.
Jesus Christ. You know, he used to make buses that were slightly shorter for people like him. But
I
hey,
like ice cream.
here's the car. It's a 1995 Z28, but it's got the like 90.
I like ice cream.
It's got like the 98 conversion that I think I've already worked on it because it's got zip ties in it. LT1 Corvette style intake.
Hey, this is a rare one here. It's got an orange motor.
Yeah, so the motor's been out. Don't know what's been done. And by the way, if you're doing shade tree mechanics and you've cut all your trees down and they fell on your building in your old IROCs, you make your own shade. Thanks to Walmart for the Chinesium.
Whomever worked on this thing has tightened every bolt with every maximum torque that they can, because I'm telling you, this is rough.
Well, here's the reason we bought it. Right here. Watch it. Wait. Come out. There we go.
That's my anti-theft stick.
Yep, it is a 6-speed convertible top. It's there. All filming done in Mexico. And look at this wing, y'all. Look at that wing. Looks like a Supra wing, maybe. But she's got a good 75-foot.
I like
job.
ice cream.
She's got a good 75-foot paint job on her and aftermarket side skirts.
Would you look at this wing?
We do have a problem though of she's temperamental. She don't want to start, as in the key sometimes won't even turn the ignition on. That center console's coming out. But let's see. Now I'm gonna kind of poop myself if she starts here. Come on. Nope. So you turn the key on sometimes, like right there you see there's no gauges. But turn it back on, nothing. You got to go jiggle a wire up underneath the hood.
I think it's got a bad ground or a bad positive somewhere. We're chasing it.
Either it's not happy or it's not sad, one of the two, and we need it to be both, of course.
If you don't know, I absolutely hate wiring problems.
Yep. I have another starter. Whenever it does that, on the terminals of the starter, it will spark and then you lose power on the dash. So something somewhere is not tight, which is surprising because they've hulked everything down. But we probably gonna move that fan probably out here because it's hot.
I like ice cream.
Jesus Christ, can you say anything else? But
I like chocolate ice cream.
New car, Twisted Sister. Either that or the Dirty Stepchild, one of the two. Because somebody is giving up on Jezebel.
No, I am not.
Liar. All right, everybody, welcome back. You get your ass out of that car right now.
I like ice cream.
All right, so as I told y'all in the last little bit of a clip here, when we tried to start it, either we had no power to the key, no instrument lights, no anything, and if we could get power to the ignition and the lights on the dash would show up, then you tried to start it, it would spark at the starter, and it would just, you lose all power. So I did the right thing, and I had an extra one of these, the negative, the positive, and the alternator wire, and it goes all the way down to the starter and grounds out to the block of the car. I had an extra one of those, and I had an extra actual starter. I have two of those now. I got that one. I don't think is any good, but I went ahead and replaced all of it, and now she's very temperamental. But hit it, Diddy. That squealing is the power steering pump. I got an extra one of those, or I'll buy one. You gotta slam it in to get it in reverse. It's got a short throw. I don't know how I like it. People's waiting. Don't worry, we will be putting straight headers on this one too. All right, she does whirly-doos. So,
y'all want to go for a ride?
Ah, God. Last time I went for a ride and we put it on YouTube, there was an argument to be had.
Don't need them there no more. Y'all come on for a ride. Here we go.
We don't think the alternator works, so. Hey, that power steering pump's quieting it down a little bit. Oh, God. You know, this is slightly scarier than the last time we did this. We can do rollbacks now. All right, everybody. Ooh. Until we meet again, Batman.
Like and subscribe.
Ice cream.
I like ice cream.
All right, Dad seems to be worried that it's not positive traction. We're gonna see if she is. All right, hit it. Yeah, it's spinning both. Put it in reverse, Terry. You need more leverage. That short little stick. Until next time, he might find reverse.
Hello everyone. This is Randy with Never Done Projects, the older Randy that is. Just wanted y'all to know one of the first things we got to do when we get a car is we got to fix the exhaust.
Enhance the freedom.
And everything's got to breathe better. We're in for the fresh air, fresh breathing, and you know, everything needs to inhale and exhale all the same way, wide open. Now this one's going to be a little bit different for right now because it is true duals from the headers all the way back. You know me, I want to make my boom tubes, but I'm going to see how this is going to go. I'm going to fix these two mufflers here where they exit just a little bit better. And
got one right in front of you and then one right here.
And they need a little bit of work on them. And I'm going to fix them. And then just give me just a minute, and then I'll show you what I'm going to do with them. So.
Y'all have already heard what it sounds like before, because you know all this is just going to be one video of us buying it and replacing the what's it called parts, and we still got to work on keeping her cool, but
now listen,
we got to keep her breathing first.
Yes. Now listen, when I tell you, you know how we are. When I tell you we buy things and we make things work, and it's got its problems, but it's nothing that we can't fix. And we're here to have a good time, and we're here to take you with us. So like and subscribe and follow us, and I'll show you what I'm going to do.
Here we go.
Here we go.
I like ice cream.
All filming done in Mexico.
See, look, we even have the Mexico flag. Mexico. Okay.
Okay, as I told you, here's the mufflers. I'm going to show you how to fix them.
That was a wimpy throw. Here, hold
Fixed.
That.
Now, here's what it sounds like without them. Keep in mind, we're doing work.
Work in progress.
That's good, Elroy.
I like that better.
That sounds a little bit better to me.
Yeah. All right, everybody. Look, I just wanted to come on here and just say thank you. We never thought we'd make it this far. And if you take a look at this little bit of a picture right here, maybe I can zoom in on him. It's hard to explain how happy we are doing this stuff. And I said it to a guy at work the other day. Rodney, if you're watching, thank you. I will spend substantially more money than we have spent in these cars to do this again and to keep him happy. It's not just him. It's me, my wife, my daughter, and my daughter to come. We're all making this happen. So we just want to say thank y'all and enjoy the goofy look on Daddy's face, even though he likes ice cream, specifically chocolate ice cream. But if you're watching this long, thank you. And remember, like, subscribe, comment, share with a friend. Tell them, you know what? If these two stupid old people can do it, so can we. Thank you.